To authorize net webhooks. Start by understanding what webhooks are and how they work. Webhooks are essentially callbacks made from a server to a client, allowing the server to notify the client of specific events. In the context of Authorize Net, webhooks are used to notify merchants of events such as successful payments or failed transactions. The first step in authorizing net webhooks is to create a webhook endpoint on your server. This endpoint will receive the webhook notifications from Authorize Net. Ensure the endpoint is secure, using HTTPS, and can handle post requests. Next, log into your Authorize Net account and navigate to the Webhooks section. Here, you can add a new webhook by providing the URL of your endpoint and selecting the events you want to receive notifications for. You can choose from a variety of events, including payment notifications, customer notifications, and transaction notifications. After creating the webhook, Authorize Net will send a verification request to your endpoint to verify that it is working correctly. Your endpoint must respond with a 200 OK status code to confirm the verification. Once the webhook is verified, Authorize Net will start sending notifications to your endpoint. Your endpoint should be able to handle these notifications by parsing the JSON data sent in the request body. The JSON data will contain information about the event that triggered the notification, such as the transaction ID or customer ID. To handle webhook notifications securely, ensure your endpoint validates the signature of each notification to prevent tampering. Authorize Net signs each notification with a secret key, which you can use to verify the signature. Best practices for authorizing net webhooks include using secure protocols, validating signatures, and handling errors correctly. Ensure your endpoint can handle multiple notifications simultaneously and has a mechanism to retry failed notifications. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully authorize net webhooks and start receiving notifications about events on your Authorize Net account. This will enable you to automate tasks, improve customer experience, and enhance the overall security of your payment processing system.